What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I am going to review Disney Hot Plus Gran. Before moving with the further synopsis of the story, let's review what the story is all about, or what the uh, whole web series is all about. It's taken from the novel Jurassic, and that's why whenever the filmmakers or web series are making anything from novels, many things are fabricated so that they will equalize the statement from different parties, so that they will not land in any kind of controversy. But overall they already did it by showing something that is being the fact. Before moving further with the synopsis of story, I would really like to share my cross-cultural experience with different nationalities. If a person from a cosmopolitan city or urban city or wherever it is stranded on the roads, on the highways, and he seeks help from the passerbys or people or local people from that area. As an example, the person from south goes to west, or west from south, or north to part of different kind of. They always said that this person is ours and he is stranded, and we have to help him and show him that if you will go to this direction you will reach your destination. They never tagged him that who is he, from which community he is. They never. Once you tag people like this, it means you wanted to gain supremacy, or you wanted to isolate yourself or that person from being the part of oneness. And that's a very beautiful thing. If you will watch some Japanese or Southeast Asian countries or some, they, even in the Europeans also, they wanted to see, oh, this person is ours, okay, you go this way, that way, they will help. But in our brother, he might be from this province, they just start gossiping instead of being helpful. So that should be eradicated from our society, so that we will become one. That's the problem in our cultures. The best profession that one should have, that will give you a very good output and revenue, is nationalism and religion. If you will invest more money in that, definitely you will gain more money. You have seen all that in the news, where the money goes. Being poor, the most money is given to all those places where one could get any kind of help, or emotional or spiritual help. But some areas, they, or some, no need to talk about people, I don't want to say, but you already know in the news that who gained so much wealth, blah blah blah. The story starts with the protagonist. She is a police inspector, and her her father is just a single father, and he is the one who is taking care of her. He is from a Sikh community, and after almost like 30 years, she is touching the cold case, and that case revolves around the 84 incident and massacre that happened. She is thinking that his father is being involved in that one, but she didn't want to believe her doubt, because she is a cop. But she always have horrible nightmares. They always haunt her, and thus she starts her journey by finding out what happens. The beautiful thing is, okay, we don't need to see about the on the basis of facts. We have to see on the basis of the novel how this is being portrayed. So on the basis of novel, it is very good, amazing, because they wanted to show that how things really brewed up, and what was the consequences that the people have to bear, and what happened. So now she is on the verge of finding the truth, that what really happened, and she believes that her father was involved in it. And imagine that the father who brought up a child, and the child becomes a cop to detain a father. Amazing story, a good plot. And finally she found out that there is a one person being murdered, and she wanted to trace that why he was being killed. So from one person to another, they unfold many new chapters. With those incidents, there are thousands of stories, because doesn't belong to one person, because the whole incident belongs to the whole community. And definitely there are plenty of stories that really need to be shown to the people, so that people will really know what the truth is. That is the mistake in this novel, because they just wanted to glamorize according to the Bollywood, and that a part will really hurt someone. But overall it is a beautiful message you will really find out. Now this family, they are living in this area, and a guy comes over there because he has a friend also. Both of them are working in the factory, but in the factory there is future political candidate who is just brewing something against other communities and does. But overall in those factories there are all people from different society, they work. But once it happens that people really didn't want to believe, sometimes what happens, okay, here, have you ever seen rich people raising slogans on the road? You will never ever see them. Only poor people, because they are easily saleable, and the most important thing, you can earn them very quickly. You can earn them with emotions, you can gain their sympathy, you can gain them physically also with your rhetoric, or if you are a good orator, definitely you will. And that guy was a good orator, and he did everything so that he know that what he is really going to get it. Imagine that when you are young, your hormones are being used by all those people, those who are in these kind of things, because they really wanted to need a power, and the power comes from youth, and that happened. So all these youth were manipulated because he really wanted to, and in the end it proved that he really wanted a political position, and he did everything to gain that one. And then what happens, she is now trying to figure it out how things started, and she is meeting all those elements, or all those affectees and victims, those who lost everything at that time, their loved ones, possessions and everything. But now this guy who was in this family, he wanted to save them, because he has no choice saying no to his own community, but he has also no choice to harm his own loved ones. He tried his level best to save them, and it did. But in the end, sometimes there is always your own who will backstab you, and that happened in the end. And you will really be amazed, because the ending part of the story will summarize many things, and you will really enjoy it, because it's not a sometimes it's not in your hand to accept the truth. But once the truth will come in front of you, there are other people, those who will just keep mum on that. So I hope you will really enjoy this one. It's best to watch it, and the most important thing that you will really learn at the end of the web series is how the things are being manufactured. And we don't need to sideline all those who were really victims of that, but on the basis of just a story, it is best. You were good to watch it. And hats off to the actors, really, they did their level best. The lead actress, amazing work also, and Vamika, because I have watched her in Nikka Jaildar 2 and 3. She done her level best also here also, superb acting really. And the guy from, what is that, Jamtara, he nailed it very well, because his character is superb, good quality. And overall the senior, the cast, as usual, they did their level best, justice with us with their script and everything. Overall it is good to watch it, to learn something, that things should not, they really wanted to give the message that what really happened should not be repeated. And overall it is the responsibility of the state. We can't say that someone told us to do this. Then who you are, what your liabilities are, what your responsibilities are. Imagine that when you are not giving a peace, so peace will become your liability, and thus what will happen, the other one will get a benefit out of the situation, and there is someone always who is getting a benefit in this kind of situation. Talking too much about it. So, thank you so much for bearing me. I don't know who will watch this one. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much, and just watch it to see that what is the fact and what is the, at least you will move to the fact and find out what the facts are. So that's what happens whenever. But there is one thing that I really don't like it also. Now see, this one on air, nobody can, because it belongs to a small community, nobody wanted to make it a international issues or national issues, don't want to stop this one. What is that? Family Man season 2, another controversy, but went on air, turned very big because it hurt the majority. So you could understand that why others will feel annoyed by all this. Thank you so much for bearing me, and have a great weekend. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Bye bye.